Guys, today I'm gonna do another Japanese makeup tutorial. First, I'm gonna put on Misha primer on my face. Next, we're gonna put on Skin Base by Touch and Soul Feel Like Honeymoon. This skin base makes my skin so moisturized. Next, we're gonna use MAC Studio Fix NC30 for our foundation. This brush is called Makel and you can buy it anywhere here in Japan, especially in drugstores. Next, we're gonna use visee concealer for highlighting the skin and concealing our under eye. Please forgive me for my English because it's really been a while since I used this language, so forgive me. So we're gonna blend it out until it's okay. By the way, I'm using Daiso sponge and it's really easy to use, I guess. Next is eyebrow. I'm using Flawless Brow Trio from PH Cosmetics. I'm using the cream one to brow my eyebrow. And today we're making a straight eyebrow. This is the Angel Heart palette. We will use this color to fill our eyelids, then blend it with a brush. Next, we will use this color for the outer corner of our eyes. I'm just tapping a little bit in outer corner, then blend it up. And I will use a brush with no product to blend all the harsh lines. I will use the same color in my lower lash line. I will use this color to my outer corner of my eyes. Next, I will use Wild and Radiant by PH Cosmetics. I will use this color for my eyelids, and I'm using my fingers to tap it on my eyelid and put some on your inner eyelid. Next, we're gonna use Heroin Makeup Eyeliner. So today we're gonna emphasize the eyeliner, so we will draw it widely. And we will line the lower lash line only halfway and we will smudge it after. Next, we're gonna use Heroin Makeup Mascara. Next, I'm gonna contour my nose to make it a little bit smaller. Contouring the nose is not the same for everybody. I think it depends what size and what shape your nose is. You need to figure it out before contouring your nose. Next, I'm gonna contour my face with BH Cosmetics Studio Pro palette. And I'm just using a very small amount of product because I really don't want to make my face looks dark. And next, I'm gonna highlight my face with BH Cosmetic Wild and Radiant. Next, we're gonna put on blush, and I don't put so much blush on my face because it really makes my skin looks darker. Next, I'm gonna use a MAC Lipliner, and this color is called Half Red. Next, I'm gonna use BH Liquid Lipstick. I really love this color and it has a very great texture. And we're gonna use Studio Fix Powder Plus for our finished touch. Lastly, we're gonna spray a Prep and Prime spray for a long-lasting makeup, and voila, it's finished. Thank you for watching, guys, and if you liked my video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Till next video, bye bye.